So to start my next row, as we said, we're gonna use single crochet stitch. So from on the second chain from the hook, I will insert my hook, pull through and pull through 2, single crochet in the next and the next one until the end of the row. If you're new to single crochet stitch and you want to know a slower version, check my oldest video in the description box. So I'll continue doing this and we'll meet on the second row. So now I'm finishing the last stitches from the first row. And now I'll start working on the next row. I'll chain 1, turn, and then single crochet in the first stitch and single crochet on the next stitch and on each stitch till the end of the row. This is what we'll keep doing until row 30. So only single crochet in every stitch for every row until row 30. So as you can see here, I have finished 30 rows, and now I'll show you how we're going to construct the organizer. So this is the end of my 30th row. Okay, I'll chain 1. I'll do in the first chain before turning 1 single crochet and another single crochet. So all what you need to know, in every corner, in all 4 corners, you will do 2 single crochet, and in all the other stitches I'll do only 1 single crochet. So now I'm working on this side. In every space I'll make 1 single crochet. Okay, so you see here I have already started the first row the way I showed you, and how it looks like after making the 2 single crochet in every corner. Okay, so to close down my first row, I slip stitch into the initial single crochet. Now for the next row, I will only make 1 single crochet in every stitch throughout the round. Okay, so no more 2 single crochet, only 1 single crochet in each stitch, and we'll repeat the same till we reach row 30. So again we'll make 30 rows to make the organizer, and then we'll meet at the end of row 30 to show you the next step. Okay, so this is my bag organizer after I have finished. Like I showed you before, here was the base, and then working in rounds. This is how it has become, and now these are the parts which are gonna be the pockets. So this is the big pocket, this is another one, one more, and one more, and one up, and we're gonna join these inside the organizer, and we will see how from where we started our chain. We will see here the base of the organizer where we started. We're gonna start stitching, so we'll put the piece this way, and we'll join it in the first stitch from here this way. Okay, and here it is secured. Okay, now we know where to stitch. So we sew it all together nicely. So now, as you can see here, I'm done with the first pocket, which is stitch in the inside, and now I'll be starting on one of the sides, which is So here finally I'm finished with my bag organizer. This is my first attempt, which I wanted to share with you. So as I previously said, these are the pockets for the organizer. It's up to you how many pockets you want to sew inside your organizer, and as an option you can also felt it so it is more stiff and more solid. Okay, so this is how we do it. I hope the video was clear. If you have any question, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment. So here is my organizer done, and I'm gonna show you what fits inside. Okay, so So here I have my planner, which I will insert. I also have my iPad, which fits here, my wallet, can put it here, I have a yarn ball and a crochet hook for when I want to crochet on the go, which I will insert here. Oops. Here. Okay. I have my phone. Okay, put it on this side. Okay. I have my perfume and napkins or tissues, shall fit in this pocket. I also have my hand cream, which I also can fit here. I have my hand sanitizer spray. Okay. Can put it here. I can also put my hand cream here. Okay, and still fits a lot of things. My coin wallet. My mirror. Sunglasses. I can put them here instead. I'll put this here. Okay, and this is a small demonstration of what can fit inside my handbag organizer. So this way you will find your things inside your bag easily. I hope you like it and you find it useful, and if you try it, please let me know and show me your pictures. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.